Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and we just wanted to do a quick video and walk around of this utility truck, this Ram 4500 we just painted. So basically we went around the whole truck and restored all sides of it, added some new graphics to the side. In addition to that, we went around the back and we coated the rear bumper as well as the vise that we used quite often, so we'll add durability to those areas as well as a non-slip grip surface to the rear bumper. This thing was pretty bad off when it came into our garage, and I'll show you all the restoration work that we did to it. The utility back here was completely rusted out, and what we did was we restored it, did some body work on it, and we sprayed it with some Bedliner. So that's like that tough truck look to it. It also will guard against tools bumping into it, chipping paint, so it's a lot more durable. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to click the link in the description, shoot over to our website if you're located in Mass or Connecticut, and give us a call for all your service needs on utility trucks.